This task tip explains how to use the MyTask replay to review the events of a past date. The reports and review areas of MyTask present detailed call counts and agent activity. While this information provides a complete overview of the day's activity, it does not explain why it happened. Using replay can help you understand why too many calls were in queue, why a caller had to wait over a minute for an answer, and if your agents are adhering to their schedules. This information can help you identify problems with employees that may need additional training or telephone system call flow issues that need to be resolved. To begin, go to the replay area of MyTask Contact. Notice that the default page closely resembles the My Call Center page of the review area. Click the Replay Setup link to set the search parameters and triggers used to find events of interest during the replay. Click the Start Date Change link and input the 5th of May 2005. This is the date to replay. Save the date selection and return to the previous page. Now change the stop time. This is a time trigger that stops the replay when the time for the trigger is reached. You may use this, for example, to determine if your agents logged in according to the schedule. Enable the Stop at Time checkbox and enter 0800 for 8 a.m. Save your change. Next, click the Add Trigger link. The Add Trigger page allows you to select a queue or queue group to search for specific events. Select the support queue and continue to the following page. Enable the Time of Longest Waiting Call Greater Than checkbox and set the value to 60 seconds. This stops the replay when a call has waited in the support queue for 60 or more seconds. Save your changes and return to the replay area home page. You are now ready to start replaying data. Click Start Replay. The replay will immediately begin searching data and stop at the first trigger it encounters. The reason for stopping is displayed above the index pane. Here, the replay has exceeded the 8 a.m. stop time. Click My Queues in the index pane. This displays the My Queues view, which looks like the default page of the real-time area. Here we see that Melissa is the only agent logged in and is unavailable. This indicates that most agents are not logging in when the office opens, and with Melissa unavailable, the first calls of the day are forced to wait or abandon. Click Next in the Replay toolbar to move to the next event that exceeds a trigger. The replay stops at the longest waiting call trigger. Looking at the My Queues page, we see that this is because all agents logged into the support queue are busy, including 2 agents who were unavailable when they should have been taking calls. Clicking the WebSign data link shows the WebSign statistics for the queue. We see that 1 call was waiting and it waited for 62 seconds. Finally, return to the My Call Center page of the replay area. This page shows us that the support queue has handled 3 calls and that all performance indicators are within acceptable limits. You now know how to use replay to find certain events from past dates.